So as a farmer or food producer, I understand identification on your packaging is probably the last thing you're worried about. Your job is putting out fires and dealing with nutritional information, ingredients, production equipment, quality control issues. I want to help you with some unique production equipment that will make marking your goods easy and more professional. The info can be lot numbers or batch numbers, expiry dates, best before or best by dates. Maybe you need to customize and print on your containers. Containers like bottles, bags, pails, or drums. Well, maybe what you need is a portable handheld inkjet printer. Or a color label printer. All of us at Neumann Marking Solutions have broad knowledge and have helped Canadians for over 20 years with many options for their identification needs. Here's a recent customer of ours, Michele, from Titan Clean Energy Projects, showing us how impressed she was with one REINER unit. You'll see that she used to have to cut all those stickers for her batch numbers.
This makes adding a batch number to all these pails so easy. All I have to do is line it up with a batch number, like this. You see that? Hit print. And there it is. So much easier than cutting out stickers.
Give us a call, toll free, to discuss your application and give you some advice. Or you can continue using the latest cutting edge technologies